The Earth is alive, just like the human body. It has many different systems in it, similar to how the human body has systems like the digestive and muscular systems. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and different kinds of weather show us that the Earth grows and changes over time, just like we do. The study of geology, or earth science, helps us understand how our planet works and evolves. The Earth is made up of several layers, each with its own unique features. The outer layer, where we live, is called the crust. It's like the skin of the Earth, thin and solid. Below the crust is the mantle, which is much thicker and made of rock which can flow very slowly. Deeper still is the outer core, which is liquid metal, and at the very center is the inner core, a solid ball of metal. These layers work together to keep the Earth functioning. But just as our bodies can have sudden movements or changes, so too can the Earth. For example, earthquakes are an intense shakings of the Earth's surface. The Earth's crust is made up of huge areas called plates which move around very slowly on the mantle. Sometimes these plates get stuck. Pressure builds up, and when they finally move, the energy they release causes the ground to shake. This movement of the Earth's plates not only causes earthquakes but also plays a role in the formation of volcanoes. When plates move, they can create spaces where magma from the mantle can rise up to the surface. When magma reaches the surface, it erupts as lava, forming a volcano. Volcanoes are a clear sign that the Earth is not just a static rock, but a dynamic, living planet with processes happening deep within it. Volcanoes, earthquakes, and plate tectonics are all part of Earth's life and evolution. Geologists believe that at first the Earth was a hot, molten ball, but over billions of years it cooled and formed a solid crust. Water appeared, and eventually life began to develop. Paleontology, the study of fossils, helps us understand Earth's history by providing a glimpse into the lives of plants and animals which lived long ago. By studying fossils, scientists can learn about the different types of creatures that once roamed the Earth, how they looked, and how they lived. Meanwhile, the study of rocks, minerals, gems, and diamonds reveals the treasures hidden within Earth's crust. Rocks are the building blocks of the Earth's crust and come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. Some rocks are made from cooled magma, while others are formed from layers of sand and mud. Some rocks have changed from one type to another due to heat and pressure. Inside rocks, we can find minerals, which are natural substances, each with a specific structure. Some minerals are very valuable, like gems and diamonds. Gems and diamonds are beautiful and often used in jewelry. Diamonds are extremely hard and are also used in tools. Fossils, rocks, and minerals are the Earth's way of preserving its history. In future videos, we will dive deep into each topic and fully understand Earth's behavior. Subscribe so you don't miss them. Thank you for watching.